What's going on, Mooch Lifers? Welcome back to the channel. It's good to see you guys again. If you're new to the channel and you're here for the first time, I'm Mooch and this is Mooch Life. We do things with our cars and trucks here. I'm a Chevy fanboy, but today is a special day. We're going to visit a friend of mine, Sam, and his son Dylan. He's about 5 or 6 years old. He is a huge fan of Steven Sharer. If you don't know who he is, he's a big YouTuber. He's got like 7.7 million subscribers. He's part of the Sharer family. There's a couple of them. He's got a brother Carter and a sister, I believe, Grace, and they got a dog, and they just do a bunch of family-friendly vlogs. Very popular on YouTube. A car that they feature on their channel, Steven Sharer has what he calls the SHARERGHINI, which is a Lamborghini Gallardo that's green, and it is reminiscent of this color here on my vehicle, which is a 2014 Camaro SS. It's a 1SS. It's actually red rock metallic, and we'll let you guys see it real quick if you're new to the channel. So there's the original color there, as you can tell, but I got it all wrapped. Show you a little bit about the car. Didn't do much to it, but I got some aftermarket wheels. These are the Ultra Night 423s wrapped in the Eagle Sport Goodyear tires. They're just all season tires. Got the side splitter here, aftermarket from ACS Composites, along with the T4 front splitter. You can see that there. And I got the gloss lime green wrap from Avery Dennison. I blacked out my Chevy bow tie and SS badges, and I added these LS3 6.2 liter V8 badges that I got from Camaro Fest last year in Bowling Green, Kentucky. The handles and the trunk spoiler are wrapped in a gloss black, and I relocated the side emblem Camaro to the back where that used to be a bow tie. Dylan, Sam's son, he is, like I said, he's about 6 years old, and he's a huge fan of that car. Sam showed him a picture of mine and he got real excited, so I don't know if he's old enough to be able to differentiate this car from the SHARERGHINI, but we're gonna drive over to his house, take Dylan for a ride in the car, and we're gonna pretend this is the SHARERGHINI. We'll see if he knows or not. If he does, we're still gonna take him for a ride for fun, obviously. But if he doesn't and he thinks it is, it'll make his day even more. So it'll be cool. Today's a special vlog. I'm gonna go make a little boy's day and come along for the ride here. And let's get to it. GoPro set up here on our suction cup mount, and we'll head over to Sam's house and surprise his boy with the fake SHARERGHINI. I want you guys to be mindful of this little dude right here. This is Mochi Monkey. He likes to sit all nice like in the cup holder. He's got 2 armrests there. It's Mochi Monkey. He keeps us safe while we're driving, so say hello to him. Hi guys. All right, you just stay there. He keeps us safe on every journey. Mochi Monkey, it's my little buddy right there. Hey Mooch Monkey, how about a little pull, huh buddy? You ready? Let's go, keep us safe. All right. Did you like that, Mooch Monkey? Was that fun for you? Yes, it was. That's my dude. We have about a 20-minute drive before we get to our friend's house. I'm starting to get super excited. Putting a smile on a little kid's face when it comes to cars. Maybe today will be the day that he becomes a car guy, you know? Can you hear the popcorn? Ooh, we like popcorn here on Mooch Life. Guys, we're right down the street from my buddy's house. I don't know if his boy's gonna be outside or what, but let's pull up here and Surprise this little guy and make his day. Oh, he's outside. Dad's outside. What are you doing?
Hold on over there. He's over there. See if he sees.
Oh, okay. Look, there he is down there. Got his friends.
Dylan!
Oh gosh. Holy moly. Kids for days.
Mustang. What kind of car is that?
Hi there. It's a Lamborghini. So we got lots of kids here, but we're taking Dylan and Sissy.
I'm not on this team. I don't want to be on this team. Did you hear me?
Oh.
Go ahead. Come on, Chase.
Oh my god.
Say hi.
Here.
How do you
See
do
that?
that? Hey, look, go like this.
There you go. Jump on in there. Because I'm filming this. I'm gonna send it to Steven Sharer.
You don't even know his number.
Oh, I can get a hold of
Keep your
him.
feet down off of there. Don't put them up. You don't want to get dirty. Put your seatbelt on.
Oh my god.
You don't think this is the Lamborghini?
No, it's not.
It's not? Oh.
That's where it is. He knows too.
Well, he knows it's not the Lamborghini, but it's the same color.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool, huh? Alright, it's time. We're gonna scare the kids.
Go, go, go.
We gotta hurry up and get out of here before all your friends chase us down the road. Bye-bye. Are you guys buckled up for safety?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to go fast?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
What do you think, Sith?
Don't go fast on the road.
Just because of the neighbors.
Alright, you guys ready?
Yeah.
You sure?
Do you think this is as fast as the Lamborghini is?
Yes.
Okay.
But there's a lot of different modes in the Lamborghini.
Oh, is it? What kind of car is this?
A Traverse.
A what?
A Chevy.
This is, yeah.
A Chevy.
Chevy Traverse.
Yeah, it's just no Chevy Traverse. It's a Chevy what? Camaro? Okay, you ready? Uh-oh. Yeah, real fast. Get ready. There's a car behind us, too. Wow, I just dropped it.
Oh!
You ready?
Stop that.
Why? Stop that. You know what? I thought you wanted to go faster.
I want to go faster.
Say, that wasn't even that fast, huh?
No. Can we go stop for a donut?
No. What?
What if someone calls the cops?
For what? Having fun.
We'll outrun them.
Yep.
Yeah, we can. They have to chase us.
Who?
The cops.
Yeah. What cops?
Aaron?
No, not Aaron.
Rich.
No, not Rich.
He's rich as a sissy.
Yeah, yes he is. I can't wait if he sees this video. So maybe Mark will go a little bit faster this time, huh?
Yeah.
Since he was only going like 10 miles an hour.
That is definitely like a Lamborghini.
Hey, he doesn't even go fast. What's faster?
A Lamborghini.
Oh, the Lamborghini's faster. Man. Well, I'm gonna try to get Steven Sharer to see this.
You think he'll see it?
Maybe he'll say something to you. Maybe he'll say, "Hey, Dylan. Hey, Tony Lynn."
How is he supposed to know our names?
I'll tell him if he gets a hold of me.
You don't even know his phone number.
I'm gonna get a hold of him on the internet, on the videos.
I watch it.
Yeah, I know. That's what your dad told me.
That's all you do is watch that. Thank God it's nice out now, so you can come outside and play.
So, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Say, you thought that you were gonna hit 100 mile an hour though, huh? Say, we didn't even hit 25.
Nope, we never break the speed limit.
Wonder why that is.
Steven breaks the speed limit.
Does he? Uh-oh.
How fast does he go?
Really fast. Like
Uh-oh, maybe he'll get down there. Uh-oh. What do you think?
Good.
Would you want to drive this car?
No.
Why?
Yes. I
Huh?
don't know how to drive.
What about you?
Yes.
Well, you want to go ride your dirt bike, but you don't want to drive this? What's your favorite YouTube to watch?
Steven Share.
What's he do? What's that mean?
Share the love.
Oh.
Share the love.
Should have made you put your shirt on, huh? Do it again? How do you do that?
Is that what they do?
Yeah.
Okay.
That means share the love.
What is that there? Is that your helmet? Look at this cool little dirt bike. Yeah. Share the love. Put the sign up. Tell Steven. No. Go get him. So I guess he'll have some sports cars and motorcycles in his garage when he gets older. So Dylan had himself an exciting ride in the car. It was a surprise to me, but his sister wanted to go along for a ride even more than he did. So Tony Lynn jumped in the car first. That's his big sister, and Dad was holding the GoPro, filming him. Didn't really want to be on camera, but that was it. Us faking him out with the SHARERGHINI. Now Dylan knew it wasn't the SHARERGHINI, and that's okay. He still thought it was a fun car, and they had an exciting time driving in it. So what do you guys think? Can we get Steven Sharer to see this video? Send it to him if you see it. Send a link to his YouTube or hit him up on Instagram, tag him in it. I'll be putting posts on my Instagram about this video, so I'll ask you guys there as well to tag the Sharer family. I don't watch them, I don't know anything about them. I just know they have a lot of followers, and they seem to be a hit with the kids, and seems to be a very cool and good channel for family fun. So that's it. Thanks for watching this episode of Mooch Life. I'm Mooch. Have a wonderful day. If you're feeling moochy, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can see all my future uploads, and peace out.
Bring me back to where we started.